Virtually view, collaborate and engage with 3D spaces with your Matterport virtual tour. Exploring the 3D space. Click and drag to view the space through 360 degrees, or to navigate, simply click on any circular floor spot to move to that location. Clicking on other areas of the virtual tour will also move you throughout the environment. To toggle the default view to full screen mode, click the icon in the bottom right of the tour. The View Dollhouse icon allows you to view the 3D space. You can also access a top-down view of the floor plan by clicking on the View Floor Plan icon. Double-click to enter any area of the space you'd like to view. You can also click anywhere to add points, draw lines, and take measurements. For further information on CADS services, visit our website.